Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for all things automotive. Today we're diving into a topic every car enthusiast can appreciate: the 10 most reliable car engines ever built. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just someone who appreciates a car that keeps running without drama, this list is for you. From bulletproof classics to modern-day marvels, these engines have earned their place in automotive history for their unmatched durability and performance. Car owners face all sorts of engine problems, from overheating to oil leaks. It's a real headache. That's why having a reliable engine is essential. A solid, dependable engine not only saves you money on repairs, but it also gives you peace of mind when you're out on the road. So buckle up as we take a ride through some of the most dependable powerhouses ever to hit the road. Starting off at number 10, we have the legendary Mercedes-Benz OM617 diesel engine. Renowned for its unrivaled reliability and long-lasting performance, the OM617 has been known to exceed 600,000 miles without major repairs. Produced from 1974 to 1991, this 3.0-liter five-cylinder diesel engine features a cast-iron block and head, along with a chain-driven overhead camshaft. This rugged design made the OM617 nearly indestructible, helping to solidify Mercedes-Benz's reputation for durability. In addition to its incredible reliability, the OM617 was also a performance powerhouse, with its turbocharged variant reaching 187 horsepower and setting multiple land speed records. The OM617 remains an iconic example of engineering excellence and reliability. Coming in at number 9, let's talk about the Honda K20, a 2.0-liter inline 4. That's a masterpiece in automotive engineering. This engine has earned a devoted following, especially in the legendary Honda Civic Type R and other performance models. What makes the K20 special is its ability to rev high without compromising reliability. This balance of performance and dependability has made it beloved by tuners and daily drivers alike. Whether you're pushing it to the limit on the track or cruising around town, the K20 delivers excellent performance and longevity, easily exceeding 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. It's not just an engine, it's a testament to Honda's commitment to excellence. Next up at number 8 is the Ford 4.9-liter Inline 6, affectionately known as the 300 Inline 6. This powerhouse engine served as the backbone of Ford's toughest trucks and vans from the 1960s through the 1990s. It's known for its outstanding low-end torque and rock-solid reliability, making it a favorite among farmers, tradespeople, and truck enthusiasts. The 4.9-liter Inline 6 has earned its place among the greats, often clocking in at over 300,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. It's a workhorse that stood the test of time, providing reliable performance decade after decade. At number 7, we have the Toyota 22RE, a 2.4-liter inline 4 that has garnered a dedicated following for a good reason. Found in the classic Toyota pickup and 4Runner during the 80s and 90s, this engine is the epitome of reliability. Its simple design, ease of repair, and legendary toughness have made it a favorite for both adventurers and everyday drivers. Whether facing extreme heat or cold, the 22RE just keeps running. It's built to last and has proven time and again why it's one of the most resilient engines ever made. Number 6 on our list is the Chrysler Slant 6. Produced from 1959 to the early 2000s, this engine's unique 30-degree slant contributed to its longevity. Known for running smoothly even under tough conditions, many Slant 6 engines are still running strong in classic Mopar vehicles, often surpassing 500,000 miles. The Slant 6 is a true automotive survivor, still loved by enthusiasts and collectors alike. Coming in at 5, the Chevrolet small block V8, an American icon that's been a staple in muscle cars for decades. Particularly the 350 cubic inch version, the small block V8 has powered everything from roaring muscle cars to tough trucks. Since its debut in 1955, it has become a cornerstone of American automotive culture. The small block V8's straightforward design, bulletproof construction, and abundance of parts have made it one of the most reliable engines on the road. Decades later, it still roars, a living legend in the world of American performance. At number 4, we have the BMW M30. This is an automotive legend in its own right. Produced from 1968 to 1994, this engine powered some of BMW's most iconic models, including the 5 Series and 7 Series. The M30 is known not only for its silky smooth performance, but also for its outstanding durability. Many of these engines have effortlessly surpassed the 300,000-mile mark with proper maintenance, making them a symbol of BMW's engineering excellence. Number 3, we have the Volvo B230. Known for its near-mythical durability, this 2.3-liter inline-4 engine is found in Volvo's iconic 240 and 740 models. The B230 is famous for its ability to keep running long past 500,000 miles with proper care. It's not just an engine, it's a testament to Volvo's commitment to longevity and reliability, proving that true toughness is built into its core. The B230 is the ultimate example of an engine that refuses to die. Number 2 on our list is the Nissan SR20DE, a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 that has earned its place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. Found in models like the Nissan Silvia and 180SX, this engine is celebrated for its durability and performance potential. The SR20DE can easily surpass 200,000 miles and continues to be a favorite in the drifting and tuning communities. Even in stock form, this engine is built to last, making it a great choice for those looking for a reliable, high-performance engine. Finally, at number 1, we have the Toyota 2JZ a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 that's revered in the car community for its immense power and incredible reliability. The 2JZ is most famous for powering the Toyota Supra, and it's built to withstand extreme modifications and boost levels. With stock internals, this engine can handle over 1,000 horsepower, a feat few other engines can boast. Even without extensive modifications, the 2JZ can easily exceed 300,000 miles, proving it's built to last. It's a true beast of an engine, earning its place as one of the toughest ever built. So, those are our picks for the 10 most reliable car engines ever built. What do you think? Do you agree with our list, or is there an engine you think deserves a spot? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another deep dive into the world of cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay reliable out there.